Welcome to one-on-one-trading.com. My name is Troy Epperson, and in this video we're going to cover what I call trading nuggets. So you're going to have these nuggets, and we're going to do a series of these, and then we'll get back to the chart of the week. I hope at the very end you'll come over to our website, one-on-one-trading.com, and check out the services that we provide. This tip is about the bid ask.
So what is the bid ask? Well, the bid is the highest advertised price a buyer is willing to pay. And the ask is the lowest advertised price that a seller is willing to accept. Now, it's sort of abstract, but well, let's try to put it in a real life situation. So say we have a monster truck for sale. Okay, so first we have to have a seller, right? And the seller is going to have an asking price, and the asking price is, say, $27,500. So $27,500 is the asking price that the seller is willing to accept for his monster truck. Then we need a buyer, of course, and the buyer is always going to put out a price that he's willing to pay for the truck. In this case, he's going to say $25,000. Now, if this is the best advertised bid, this is the maximum amount a buyer will pay for this truck, and the ask is the maximum or the lowest price that the seller is willing to accept for the truck. Okay, so obviously the buyer and the seller are far apart, and the spread here, this would be called the spread between the bid and the ask. The bid is the buyer, the ask is the seller, and the price that each are willing to accept. Now, if the buyer increases his bid to say $26,250 and the seller agrees to that, well, then you get a trade. Then a trade takes place. And so taking this basic idea here and applying it to trading, here's a super DOM, sometimes called a price ladder. And this is going to show you what the current bid and current ask are for, in this case, this is the 6E, which is the euro-dollar futures contract. And so what this is basically saying here is everybody here on the left-hand side is the bid. This is the bid side, and these are buyers. So there's buyers over here on the left-hand side. And of course, the opposite of that is the sell side, which is the ask. So this side over here on the right is the ask, and those represent sellers and the prices that they're willing to sell at. Okay, and so what is the bid? Well, the bid is 1.2166. Okay, so 121.66 is the bid, and this is also telling us that there are 49 contracts available at that price. So we have the number of contracts available, plus we have the highest price here, which is the bid at 1.2166. Now on the opposite side, what is the ask? Well, the ask is 121.67. Okay, and we know that there are 105 contracts at that price. That is how you can determine what the bid and the ask are and how much is available at each of those prices. I know this is really going to help you with your trading. Have a great day.
one-on-one-trading.com. Thanks for watching. Come check us out at our website, one-on-one-trading.com.